In this video we will talk about why key props are essential in ReactJS list. Key props optimizes performance by minimizing the number of updates and re-renders. When the state of a list changes, React can use the key prop to determine which items need to be re-rendered. It helps in maintaining component state. If you have stateful components in a list, like form inputs, using keys helps React preserve their state between renders. Without unique keys, React may mistakenly associate the state of one component with another. It also helps in avoiding unnecessary re-renders. Keys help React decide when to skip re-rendering elements that haven't changed, thereby making updates faster. Here's a simple example to illustrate the use of the key prop. In the example, we used the item name as a key. Developer often use the index as the key in the list, that is key equals index, which is sometimes convenient. It's generally discouraged unless the list is static. If the list can change, items added, removed, or reordered, using indexes can lead to bugs and inefficient rendering. Whenever possible, use unique and stable identifiers, like identifiers from a database, as keys to ensure optimal performance and correct behavior. The key prop is essential for efficiently managing lists in React. It helps React to understand which items have changed, ensuring smoother updates, and preserving component state. Always aim to provide a stable, unique identifier for each item in a list to maximize the benefits of React's rendering optimizations. Thank you for watching. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए या नहीं? अपना फीडबैक जरूर देना and please subscribe.